Looking to make delicious cookies for the family get-together, but finding it extremely hard to get them in the right shape? Then you need an easy-to-use cookie press. These are the best in the business. In at number 4, we have the Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. This stainless steel trigger mechanism allows easy, one-handed cookie making using any of the 14 interchangeable discs. A see-through plastic barrel lets you quickly determine how much of the contents are left. It's lightweight and easy to handle. Hand wash is the recommended way of cleaning, but the top rack is dishwasher safe. There are also piping tips and piping bags included with the package. The clear barrel can hold enough dough for about 24 cookies. Third on our list is the Wilton Comfort Grip. Its ergonomic handle feels great in any hand, and the easy squeeze action releases the perfectly shaped dough. The clear barrel takes the guesswork out of refilling. The fluted bottom raises the press off the cookie sheet to help you create better shapes. It comes with 12 plastic discs in a wide assortment of shapes, including a Christmas tree, wreath, ribbon, pumpkin, heart, and flowers. It needs to be hand washed and wiped dry. It also disassembles for easy loading and cleaning. Hit the video description below for additional information and buying links. The second place goes to the Marcato Deluxe Atlas Biscuit Maker. It can extrude firm dough into creative shapes for easy cookies without rolling or cutting dough. It lets you easily adjust cookie sizes from large to small with just the turn of a knob. It yields 35 to 40 small cookies and 20 to 25 large cookies. It has a stainless steel and anodized aluminum construction. The pack includes biscuit maker, around 20 discs for traditional cookie shapes, and a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. It can be easily disassembled for faster cleaning, but needs to be hand washed. The large, contoured lever on the first placed OXO Good Grips is easy to grip, and the non-slip base keeps the press steady while dispensing dough. The clear cylindrical barrel shows how much dough remains and disassembles for easy loading and cleaning. Large, non-slip lever is kid-friendly and comfortable for repetitive use. With the 12 included stainless steel cookie disc patterns, you'll be prepared for any occasion. The storage case for the discs is a nice addition, and you can purchase additional seasonal disc shapes. Some of the parts are dishwasher safe, but you will have to wash the top and plunger by hand. If you liked this video, then hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button, which motivates us to keep on producing videos.